Do you have a tribe? And no, I'm not talking about your lifelong friends who've stuck with you through thick and thin. I mean a group of people who share your passions, people you can geek out with for hours about that one thing you love. Finding your tribe is one of the biggest midlife game changers, and it's something I always encourage my clients to do. And in this video, I'll break down why having a tribe is so important, the different kinds of tribes out there, and where you can find yours. So stick with me. I promise it's worth it. Hi, I'm FarrahHylton, certified life coach, wife, and mom with a successful career in corporate America who felt completely lost in midlife. That is, until I hit pause and transformed my midlife crisis into a midlife reinvention. Now I'm on a mission to help women like you rediscover and reinvent themselves so that they can live their best, most fulfilling lives. And today I'm inviting you into a mini challenge that could absolutely change the way you feel, live, and connect. Finding your tribe. Let's dive in. Part 1, why you need a tribe in midlife. Okay, now some of you might be thinking, I don't need any more friends, I'm good. But hold on a minute, consider this. Can you really geek out with your partner or bestie about your hobby for hours on end without them giving you the side eye? Do they share tips and news on what's happening with that passion? Chances are, probably not. About 2 years ago, I discovered the planner community through Cloth and Paper, a luxury planner brand that has cultivated a vibrant group of passionate people about analog planning and journaling. What started as a simple interest quickly became something much more, a social club and a source of meaningful connections for me. I even attended their 10-year anniversary event in person, where I met an incredible group of women who have since become my tribe. We connect over new product launches, join in on Cloth and Paper's weekly happy hour calls, and chat every day. We've gotten so close that we're even planning a girls' trips together. This group of amazing women shares my love for planners and journals, and their energy is just as contagious as mine. We can talk for hours about planners and journals and never run out of things to say. Honestly, I'm so thankful to have found this community. If you don't have a tribe like this, I strongly encourage you to seek one out. The sense of joy and belonging I experience from being part of this community is priceless. I'm sure your partner and best friend will be relieved to no longer have to endure those lengthy discussions. You can finally let them off the hook. Here's the hard truth. Midlife can be incredibly isolating. Your kids are growing up, your career might be shifting, friendships from earlier seasons of life may have faded. Your tribe is more than just a group of friends. It's your circle of support, your source of inspiration, your accountability crew, your mirror, and sometimes your lifeline. Without that connection, it's easy to shrink. Part 2, how to find your tribe. Here's your first action step. Get clear on what excites you. Ask yourself, what do I want more of in my life right now? What am I curious about or longing to try? What used to bring me joy that I've let go of? There's an entire world of interests and passions just waiting for you to discover or rediscover. Some ideas include traveling, photography, fitness and wellness, reading, baking and cooking, fashion, DIY or home design, creative writing, wine tasting, gardening, painting, the list goes on. Now let's find the right tribe that aligns with that spark. 7 ways to find your tribe. Here are 7 ways and places you can connect and find your tribe. Number 1, Facebook groups. Simply type your interests followed by women over 40 or midlife, and voila, you'll discover plenty of groups to join. Number 2, meetup groups. Look for in-person or virtual meetups in your area or niche. Think walking clubs, business masterminds, or hiking groups. Number 3, local workshops or classes. Visit your local library, community center, or YMCA. Look for events or clubs in areas such as pottery class, book clubs, and yoga. Number 4, volunteering. Giving back is a powerful way to find like-minded, big-hearted people. Consider searching for local churches, food banks, or shelters to make a difference in your community. Number 5, church groups or women's ministries. Faith-based communities are rich with support and connection. Consider joining a small group or attend events to meet others who share your beliefs and values. Number 6, retreats or wellness events. If you have never done a retreat or wellness event, I highly recommend you move this to the top of your list. These can include yoga retreats, mindfulness workshops, or wellness weekends focused on relaxation and self-discovery. Now, I had a friend attend a 3-day silent retreat focused on mindfulness, and she said it was an incredible experience. And she's already signed up to do another one. Number 7, online courses with built-in communities. There are so many online courses you can take in various areas, such as personal development to starting your own blog, podcast, or YouTube channel. Look for an online course with a built-in community like a Facebook group or Slack channel. Connecting with fellow students can provide valuable support, insights, and shared motivation throughout your learning journey. Now, these are just a few suggestions for connecting with your community. If you have other ideas or recommendations, we'd love to hear them. Share your thoughts in the comments. The beauty is, your tribe doesn't have to be massive, just meaningful. Even 2 to 3 women who get you can make all the difference. Part 4, how to nurture your tribe. Once you find your people, don't just consume, contribute. Meaning, you need to show up, engage in the comments, organize a meetup, send voice notes instead of a text, cheer others on, and so forth. The more real you are, the more real connections you'll build. And yes, you might feel awkward at first, but that's normal. Lean in anyway, because the friendships you crave are on the other side of that vulnerability. All right, here's your mini challenge. Step 1, explore what lights you up. Step 2, choose a tribe that aligns. And then step 3, show up and contribute. Finding your tribe isn't just about making friends, it's about making your life richer. And I'd love to hear from you. In the comments, share what kind of tribe you're craving right now. Let's help each other connect. And if you want to take it further, head over to FarrahHylton.com to get free resources and download my free checklist of fun hobbies for women over 40. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting ways to live your best life. And I'll see you in the next video.